wizard.
Alright, good evening everyone. I hope you all had a great day, or if your day is just getting started, I hope you have a great day. God bless everyone, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. My freaking Wi-Fi was out when I woke up, and it was out till like 6 p.m., but we clicked up with a friend. Their son is like a year older than my daughter, so went out to the park, had a good time, went over to their house, but excuse me, we're home now. It is what, 8:10 p.m. Central Time. Looks like we just put in a green dot on Bitcoin here on the 1 hour. Going to the 2, I think she's printing. Yep, she's printing now on the 2 hour. So if we are bouncing from this golden pocket, we have come down and held the golden pocket pretty good. No bull divs. So I would worry about that. Like, you're not putting in any kind of bullish signs during the downside. You're actually just putting in lower lows with lower highs. Look back at the daily, your RSIs are still super gapped. They're not tight and green. I was looking at the 30-minute while ago. This is what you would like them to look like, and you can see you're getting your green dot below the zero line. Nice little bottom. Overall money flow is curving up, and your RSI is tight green, curving up, and yeah, you can see how it played out. Right, you came right down to support. Market Cipher gave you these beautiful signals. The price is probably about to catch a bounce off of this support, but on the 1 hour it just does not look the same. So I would be looking at our previous day VWAP here around what, 97, we'll say 98k. We'll just call it 98k, even though it's really like 97.7 as resistance. And if you do get above this previous day VWAP, because you're looking pretty good on your intraday, looks like you're trying to hold it well. You got some bullish yellow candles, the continuation candles. You got the blue triangle, green dot. Blue triangle, green dot strategy works better on the 6 hour and higher, but it does, it's something to watch out for, especially with all the yellow diamonds up there. Money flow is coming in on the 5 minute. Looks like VWAP's gonna be, she just curved up. Looks like she's gonna bounce a bit. You got plenty of room for momentum to get higher. So this, we'll probably we're gonna start looking for resistance now. And if you are trading, I just want you to be in and out. If you catch something good, just be in and out. Fuck Kroger Pharmacy.
Don't know what you need? We can help. We have.
Anyway, in and out. A lot of volatility still in it. I was looking at the 1 hour. I haven't really looked at the charts all day. There's still a lot of volatility in it. Just quick moves to the upside and downside. So just be in and out of them trades. You get you a winner. You take profits and put that stop loss in entry. Now, if we do reject, if we don't get back, really, if we're going to continue higher, we got to get back above 100k. So until we're back above 100k, pushing some of these VWAPs here, some of these previous weekly VWAPs and the Trump VWAP, we're not worried about price getting any higher. We're worried about price getting lower at the moment, especially with all the bearish divs on the 7 day. And it's not just bearish divs on momentum, it's bearish divs on money flow and VWAPs, okay? So I expect we have some more downside. The daily, this wave doesn't look like she's gonna pinch anytime soon. Your money flow is coming out on the daily and going into the red. Your VWAP definitely has a curve to the downside. So if we do lose this golden pocket at 96k, if we start losing 96k, man, look at that wick. Holy cow, such volatility. Volatility since freaking, Trump probably, right? Yeah, 5 days before. Just crazy price action looking at it. But anyway, back to what we were saying. If we do lose 96k, you might get caught up at the 786, but usually when you get, she holds, sometimes she comes back up and plays around the golden pocket, and she'll usually lose it if we're in a downtrend. So I wouldn't expect this to hold too long. I'm not saying she won't hold, but I just This quarter 3 VWAP makes sense if we lose this 65k low VWAP or 68k low VWAP. If you want to place VWAPs, all you have to do is go over here to, not this, well, I have it down here, but just look for your anchored VWAP. You can find it right here somewhere. Go to your anchored VWAP and wherever you want to place it. So you want to place it on this high. What is this? 70k high. Place it there, and now you have what could look. It's already held support. It came wick right down. Okay, so you can play around with it. The anchored VWAPs are a very strong tool you can use it's changed the whole way I trade. But so if we are catching a bounce, what are we back on the daily? Let's go down to the 15. I really enjoy the 15 because it'll give you clarity on that intraday VWAP. And looks like we're coming up to our previous day VWAP. Like I said, she's probably going to be support or resistance. Excuse me. Probably going to be resistance here. Now momentum has room to run. I don't know. Let's see. These colors make me colorblind, or these glasses. Money flow is coming back in. Looks like she's been fighting around that zero line. You have bullish continuation diamonds. So if you do get above 97, if you start closing candles above 98k, 98.5 is going to be resistance for sure. It's been resistance in the past. But really the 100k level, that's a very strong psychological level. Like, people will get back to 100k and start taking profits again because they think everything's going to go down even more. Or it could get to 100k and everyone starts buying it because they think it's going to keep going up. That's why we look at Market Cipher, and it will tell us what to do. Let's see. Money flow is curving down on the 1 hour. VWAP is shooting straight up, but like I said, these RSIs just aren't that tight for me. Not tight. Like, if they was tight like they are on the 30 minute, or they were on the 30 minute, because they're starting to gap out now, and you very well be putting in bull divs, which would call for some lower prices, probably around this 68k low VWAP that we just talked about. Especially if we lose this golden pocket. She's already caught us a few times on higher time frames. Zoom out a bit. See, she's already caught us a few times. Okay, so no reason, and we regained it right here and took off. No reason she won't catch us again as we put in bull divs. But overall, I'm still leaning the VWAP on Market Cipher B and this daily money flow coming out. You still got room to run on this wave, and the VWAP coming down now tomorrow, if she continues this pattern, I'll feel a lot better. You know, I'll feel a lot better because there's a bit of PTSD from the last few weeks of thinking she might go down and then boom, all-time high, right? Thinking she's about to crash and then boom, all-time high. But my guess is I'm just gonna keep an eye on this daily VWAP, right? And if she comes up a bit, she comes up a bit, I might say this could be a bottom at this golden pocket, and we could be putting in lower highs to continue higher. But as of right now, the last few weeks, or not weeks, but days here, you put in your high, your low, your lower high, and now you're putting in lower lows. So unless we're gonna take out some of these highs at 106k, which I just don't see happening with everything that's leaning so bearish on these higher time frames. VWAP's already been rejected off the weekly. So if we do get a bounce, I'd look at 100k. 100k would probably be a rejection down. But right now, your previous day VWAP is resistance at 97.6. Your 68k VWAP is resistance at 98.5. And then, like I said, 99, 100k resistance. So you might see rejections off of those levels. If we lose the golden pocket, if we lose 96k, you can look to hold this 65k low that has been holding us, has held us a couple of times. at 95K. You can look for 95K as somewhat of a maybe a little bounce back to this golden pocket before coming back down to this 786 at 93. But really, I feel like if we do lose this VWAP good, because we lost it here. I really thought we was going to tag this quarter 3 VWAP. After we lost this, I was like, oh yeah, ain't no way. But totally way, because look, looks like spider line right there, of course. Of course the spider line is going to catch it. But that's what I'm looking for. I hope everyone has a great day, man. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I'm 2 away from 80. That's crazy for a little Louisiana boy like me, man. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like it. If y'all want to see any other TA, just put it in the comments below. And hopefully I have Wi-Fi when I wake up in the morning. That'll do it for me. I hope y'all have a great night. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out.